Hey guys, this is Vik from D&V Mobile Auto. We have come to the lot for Martin Brewer. It's a large logistics company which takes care of all the McDonald's food trucks. We've come here to detail one of their trucks which has just arrived from Calgary, and they needed help to make sure that it is safe and clean for their drivers. As you can see at the lot up here, they do all the delivery for McDonald's and for many of the other food services companies, and we are really excited to get this opportunity to work with them to help them clean their trucks so that large companies like McDonald's can get food delivered in a clean and safe environment. So this is a before video of the truck. We'll take an after video too, and we are really excited to have this opportunity where we can work with Martin Brewer to detail all their trucks in the future. So we're going to get this truck totally cleaned up from the headliner to the floors, and steam and shampoo the seats and clean out the entire area on the insides. We'll take an after video too, and give us a call if you want us to detail your fleet or your personal vehicles. We'll be happy to come and do that for you. 604-518-668.